What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and I'm here with my good friend Big Blue LT1, Mike. You guys have seen him on the channel. I've actually reviewed his LT1 recently and I've done some other POV drives with it. And today we're gonna do something really special for his car. We're gonna be mounting this brand new spoiler that is going to drastically, look at this guys. We'll show you how it looks behind all of this nice wrapping here. In this video, we're also going to teach you guys how to actually drill into your car. You can use this as an inspiration to do it on obviously your Camaro LT1 or on your car potentially. So we're definitely going to give some girth to the rear of the car, which is definitely needed, I think, with some of these larger cars, these Camaros. Like you can see with mine, I have a huge front lip, some side skirts, and a massive Z28 style spoiler. Your spoiler, bro, is gonna be just as big as my Z28 one, and I think that's what you were kind of going for.
Yeah, I wanted something meaty tires and meaty wing.
Just want to give a huge shout out to Extreme Online Store. They were awesome enough to work with me and send this over so we can install it on this gorgeous LT1. Now, we actually got it in the unpainted, just so we can go ahead and paint it in the color that we want. I do believe that they have different offerings, so if you want it in gloss black, they do have that available. Mike, you're gonna put this in gloss black, I imagine.
Yeah, probably. Awesome. Or might go body color, I don't know. Cool. It's interesting because you don't see them a lot.
That would be actually really cool. You're right, I don't see that often. We're gonna pick this up after, we're not littering. This is how the spoiler looks like. This thing is massive. Look at like the depth to this thing.
Oh wow, yeah.
It's massive.
It goes deep in the trunk.
Dude, I'm actually kind of jealous. In this kit, you get about 12 screws. Some of them have a washer end to it, and some of them don't. But it also comes with some end tape as well. It also has an extension up here, a wicker bill. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install that. And dude, this is this is so cool. So before we actually proceed with all this, how do you like it?
Oh, it's I'm excited, very excited.
I actually really like how it looks without like the gloss black.
Yeah, the sign's actually a pretty nice finish.
By the way, the LT1, you can spec it out to have a spoiler, but if you don't, you're gonna have to drill into this, which is gonna be interesting. But luckily, if we mess up, this massive spoiler will cover up a lot of it, and it already has the pre-made holes here.
There's no template in the box, but I was doing some research, and people come up with like hacky ways to create your own template. We're gonna put like pieces of paper here, and then like we put it and we tape it. You'll see in the video.
The wicker bill extension.
So we're gonna put it here.
Mm-hmm.
We tape it to the spoiler.
Okay.
And then we mark where the holes are. And then we put the spoiler on the car. We tape it down to the car, and then we take the spoiler off. We just put a little bit of tape so the spoiler doesn't grab it. And then what we're left with a piece of paper where the holes are gonna be.
Okay. Bro, easy, bro. That's thin as hell.
Mickey Bean, yeah.
Mickey Bean, bro.
So put the hole on the actual, you know.
Yeah, where it's gonna go.
Yeah. This one has 3 holes.
Needs less holes. Damn, I like this, bro.
Yeah, so now we tape these down real tight, line it up.
What are you using, the actual fender, the body line? All right, not the fender, sorry though.
Oh, this side is fine.
It's poking out just a little bit here. Next steps is to take the spoiler off and start drilling in that where that position is.
Yeah, pretty much.
Next step, what are we doing?
Moment of truth, we're gonna actually start marking where the holes are gonna be.
Okay.
We're gonna use this automatic center punch. That's so when you're drilling, the drill bit doesn't slide out, so it's gonna create like an indentation.
Oh, okay, so, okay.
Yeah, so this hurts a little bit. Okay, that wasn't so bad. All right, yeah, heard that was a snap.
That's good. That's good. That's
yeah,
progress.
Putting like little dents in there. All right, so now I bought this fancy dancy stepper tool. I wanted to buy just that, but they didn't have any, so they forced me to get this.
Bastards.
Yeah, sold out. And then what this does, it opens the hole bigger and bigger. So this is like sheet metal or some sort of metal, and it's super thin. So if you start using like normal drill bits to make it bigger and bigger, it's gonna like make it look all wonky. This will give it like a nice
look.
Yeah, a nice hole.
So with that drill, concentrate. Forget about the drifting over there.
Yeah.
Forget about me dancing.
All right, so there's a little dimple there that matches with the tip of this. So when you put it in, it doesn't really walk away. I wanna cover it in tape.
Okay, this part?
Yeah.
Can you see though?
Yeah, you can feel it.
We're in it, boy! It's official. Now, what are you gonna do later? You're gonna drill it again to making the hole a little wider, correct?
Yeah, using this. So see how it gets thicker and thicker and thicker?
Right, to adjust for the screws and the nuts or whatever.
Yeah.
I want you to think about this. In this undisclosed location, we are probably the first and last people that are going to be able to perform such surgeries and modifications to our cars. 500 years from now, when every single human being on this planet is no more and there's a whole new set of people, these cars are not going to be around. We were the first ones and the last ones to do a job here. What do you feel? On these exact coordinates right here, does it put a lot of perspective?
But what the hell?
So I put more tape so I don't have all that stuff in the way.
Yeah.
And then the tape's just there in case I somehow slip or something like that. I don't ruin the paint. All right, so right now I'm just going to see where I stop in the stepping because each one is like a
new measurement or width.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Smaller is always better because you can always make the hole bigger.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna put it on this one. I'm just gonna put a piece of tape right above the one I want to just stop on. So I'm just gonna drill into here, and I think this will be a fine hole.
There you go, there you go. Whoa, we got it. Those are some sexy looking holes, I'll tell you right now.
This thing was expensive, but
worth it?
Yeah, it melted it like butter.
All right, so here are the holes. What would you do if you look and there's no hole in sight?
I'll cry, bro. I'll just get the drill and...
What if it like pops out through here?
Oh, I'll be out there. I'll just get another one.
We are not gonna be doing the M-tape as of right now because he is gonna have this thing painted on a separate occasion. But if you were to use it, you would basically put it along the edges here, which you really can't see because we already tightened it here, but you would basically put it along here, right? There's enough space and amount for you to just go around the whole entire spoiler. Again, not totally necessary, but it's just an added benefit that you want. In the end, we're gonna actually have to remove the this piece here, which is where the trunk latch is. All right, so basically all it does is give you a little bit of playroom, but it's still kind of difficult to do it. You're gonna probably have to do it by hand. Look at me in the eyes when you do it, Michael.
Oh yeah.
Starting to put this in place. You want to go up, Max?
Yeah, let's max it out.
Let's fucking go. Damn, look at that, dude. Dude, take a step back. Let's take a step back and really, oh my God, that's, wow. That is nice, dude. Aggressive AF.
And the one thing with the 1LE that I don't like is those two pieces.
Yes.
Well, three pieces.
Yeah, it's 3-piece.
Yeah. So
So it like has like this little weird stub when you open it.
yeah, and then you have that gap here. I don't like that gap.
This, but you like getting gap though. Well guys, that is basically the tutorial and kind of like the demonstration video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. The links are in the description below, as I mentioned, for all the tools and of course this awesome spoiler from Extreme Online Store. Guys, thank you so much for sending that out here. Mwah, top tier spoiler design. Guys, if you enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my product reviews, my how-tos, my installs, my POV drives, etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.